हेलो एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल। आप सोच रहे होंगे कि मैं कौन हूँ। मैं हूँ निहान एंड निवान्स फादर एंड तनुश्रीज हस्बैंड ऑफ कोर्स। तो फॉर अ चेंज आज डिसाइड हुआ है कि मैं कैमरे के सामने आऊँगा। तो आई हैव कम इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कैमरा। आई होप एवरीबॉडी इज डूइंग वेल, एवरीबॉडी इज डूइंग फाइन एंड यू गाइज आर एट योर हाउस एंड स्टेइंग सेफ। तो आज इम्पॉर्टेंट डिस्कशन ये है कि यूजुअली वी कम विथ डेली videos that Tanu posts in terms of what the kids do and what are the best practices and all of that. लेकिन आज एक इम्पॉर्टेंट रिव्यू है जो मतलब बहुत सारे लोगों ने ये मतलब ये बहुत सारा सर्च होते रहता है एंड लॉट ऑफ पेरेंट्स basically look for information. This is nothing but your soulful रागी बाइट्स एंड दैट्स वाई वी थॉट कि आज ये एपिसोड डेडिकेट करते हैं टू टॉक समथिंग अबाउट सोलफुल बाइट्स एंड हाउ गुड इट इज़ फॉर योर चिल्ड्रन एंड ऑफ कोर्स हाउ आवर चिल्ड्रन आर लाइकिंग इट एंड what are some do's and what are some don'ts with it. So चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का वीडियो. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, not only for adults or grown-ups, but very, very important for kids. And it is important for them because they are growing up. And if you start the day with nutritious and good quality breakfast, तो पूरा दिन अच्छा जाता है. They are not very lethargic, they are very active. And that is what Tanu and I try to do and mostly give Nihan and Nivan very healthy breakfast to start with, right? And जैसे for example they have moong dosa or chila or French toast, right? These are few things that Tanu makes for them and that is largely what they have in the breakfast. लेकिन soulful is nothing but a cereal. अगर आप पढ़ोगे इसके nutritional information, it is mostly cereals. It's like chocos that we all used to love and some of adults still love it and I still love it. I would prefer having chocos with milk today compared to any other breakfast. लेकिन we suggest कि we give this to Nihan and Nivan on a very temporary basis. and ये होता है कि अगर आप कहीं जा रहे हो बाहर, अब तो बाहर चलो खैर you cannot go out, लेकिन on the go or if you don't have anything immediately to give them and they're very cranky and they're really hungry, तो biscuits नहीं देके you can give them ragi soulful ragi bites. And let me tell you this guys, there are two versions of it. This is choco fills, okay? This is choco fills. So ये जो fills होते हैं, this is basically your envelopes. These are small pockets and I'll show you. I'll open this box and I'll show you what it is. लेकिन खोलने से पहले it is important to know कि is it good for your child or not. तो these are small pockets with very little small fills of I would say chocolate, and then those fills come into three varieties. एक तो chocolate हो गया, एक vanilla हो गया और एक strawberry हो गया. And the liking typically depends on the child's palate and what is his inclination or her inclination is. लेकिन Nihan and Nivan basically loves choco fills. Though they really love it, लेकिन हम लोग उतना देते नहीं है. You will also have your child or children basically asking you, demanding you to give them more of this because this is really tasty. When they wake up and it's थोड़ा सा sugary है and they you would really love to crunch it and those textures are so nice. तो कभी कभार ऐसा लगता है कि मतलब the children really love to it, so they get little cranky and they demand for more. So that is where we suggest as parents कि we should control and possibly have other healthy breakfasts which are definitely preferred above any packaged foods. Okay, let it be any packaged foods. It is always good to have healthy breakfast made at home, right? तो चलिए इसको ओपन करते हैं and then we will talk about nutrition facts and इसको कैसे खाते हैं and how does Nihan and Nivan eat this, right? So we will show you a video of that as well. तो चलिए let's open it. So it is very important for you to know that this needs to be sealed. This is a 250 grams packet. It costs around 169 rupees. You can typically find this in any supermarket, और अगर आप ऑनलाइन ग्रोसरीज भी मंगाते हो बिग बास्केट से, स्विगी से, you will still get this. It's not a rarity type वाला availability. So these are 250 grams. इसका भी बड़ा आता है जो आधा किलो का होता है, and you get 1 kg also. 1 kg is a pretty big one. ठीक है ना, आप तो समझ सकते हो कि it comes in like a big pouch, refill pouch, right? And you get smaller ones also, which is around 100 grams, and you'll get it in a, जैसे I'll show you the photo here. It is basically inside the net with 3 different flavors. It's a small, just like chips packets. You get that, you can take it wherever you're going outside or traveling. देखिए ये आता है इसके अंदर, right? You see this? I really like the Monster, and they have done a very good job with the branding actually. It is really attractive, and Nihan loves to play with the monsters, so he gets really attracted. See how पूरा packaging में सिर्फ monsters ही हुआ है, monsters ही है. So good job with the branding, right? So this is the packaged. इसके अंदर है आपका Choco Fills, and please make sure that this is fully packed. Make sure that there is air in it, ठीक है? And what they suggest कि अगर आप इसको खोल दिए तो इसको एक क्लीन एयर टाइट कंटेनर में शिफ्ट करें, सो दैट इट स्टेज क्रंची व्हेन यू ईट. दे गेट दैट साउंड एंड इट फील्स रियली रिफ्रेशिंग, राइट? सो प्लीज ट्रांसफर इट इनटू अ कंटेनर विच इज क्लीन एंड एयर टाइट. तो चलिए इसको खोलते हैं. दिस इज कंप्लीटली सील्ड, सो दिस गुड. एक्सपायरी डेट्स भी आजकल बहुत झमेला है, सो प्लीज मेक श्योर दैट वॉट एवर यू गिविंग योर चिल्ड्रन completely within the expiry dates, and I'm very sure every parent does that. लेकिन कभी कभार क्या होता है कि when you buy it or when you're in a hurry, you don't look at expiry dates. It is very important for you to look at expiry dates, especially when you're giving something to your child. Here it is. This is what comes in the packet, right? And I'll show you some textures of it. Pretty much like a choco, लेकिन it's like a square envelope, और इसके अंदर है आपके Choco Fills, and there are, as I said earlier, there are 3 types. एक चॉकलेट का फ्लेवर में आता है, एक वैनिला में आता है, एंड एक स्ट्रॉबेरी में आता है. फ्लेकी, क्रंची, and of course you get that hint of ragi. So as soon as you open it, it's important for you to move it to a container so that it stays fresh, and please make sure that it does not have any kind of water droplets, and it's airtight. So move करते हैं. So while we move this, इसका कुछ nutritional facts हैं जो I want to be very open with you, and Tanu makes it very sure that we tell it very openly to our viewers कि है खाना चाहिए नहीं चाहिए. It is, first of all, this video is not a paid video. It is not a brand video. We are not paid by Soulful. We just talk about real reviews which help your children and help our children, because we feed them to our children as well. तो इसके जो न्यूट्रिशनल फैक्ट्स हैं जो आप बॉक्स में भी पढ़ सकते हैं, बट वी वांट टू लेट यू नो बिफोर यू बाय दिस कि इसमें यूजुअली फैट्स हैं, ओके, which is typical in all packaged foods, right? And it has ragi, which is very good. And why it is good? Because it's fibrous, and fiber is very important for movements of motion या stool, right? It is very important for children to have ragi. अगर आपके पास रागी ऐसे ही है तो वो खिलाना भी बेटर है, right? Rather than giving them into these kind of substitutes or sugary contents, right? And of course it has proteins. Proteins is also good. Calcium तो भर भर के है. Calcium is around 240 is what it says in per 30 gram serving, ठीक है ना? तो calcium is good. And apart from that there are few things, जैसे इसमें trans fats तो है नहीं, but it has few saturated fatty acids जो are not good to be given to a child frequently. I mean this is something that you can give on the go, और अगर कुछ नहीं है आपके पास तो you can give them, लेकिन preferably not to be given on a regular basis. It should not be given on the regular basis, and I mentioned that earlier. And हम लोग कितना देते हैं? हम लोग देते हैं कि you just quickly show you just handfuls, right? So Tanu gives Nihan and Nivan just handful. I think this is, I hope you are able to see in the camera. It would not contain more than 10 pieces. is what is given to them, and that too very rarely, right? So this is it, and I think ऐसे बहुत सारे आपको सीरियल्स मिलेंगे, and if you get two choices, one is Chocos versus Soulfuls Chocofills, I would suggest go with Chocos compared to Chocofills, क्योंकि Chocos में फैटी एसिड्स थोड़ा कम है, एंड इट हैज़ मोर फाइबर एंड प्रोटीन कंटेंट. So that's it from my side. I think thank you so much for coming back to this channel. We would request you to please subscribe to this channel. We are learning to make videos. we have read a lot of comments from our previous videos, and Tanu will be coming in front of camera very soon. She's little busy, and I hope everybody is safe. Please take care of your children. हम लोग बहुत सारे डॉक्टर्स के साथ भी हम लोग ने बात किया है कि हाउ डू यू कीप चिल्ड्रन सेफ ड्यूरिंग दिस कोरोना टाइम्स, एंड आई थिंक वी विल मेक एन एपिसोड around how you can boost immunity in children, and what are the preferred things that they should be eating, how can they exercise, because abhi un logo ko school to jana mana hai, bahar bhi jana mana hai, so they get a little cranky. So maybe in the next episodes Tanu will talk us through all these important pointers that we have derived after talking to a lot of pediatric doctors. So till then, take care of yourself, take care of your little ones, and hope please do like this video and share this video and subscribe this video. Thank you so much. Bye.